Hey everyone, welcome back. If CapCut keeps showing you the no internet error or your pro effects just don't work anymore, trust me, you're not alone. This issue has been affecting a lot of people lately. Some phones work fine, others don't, and no one seems to know why. I've been facing this same problem for a long time. I watch tons of YouTube tutorials. They all say do this and it will be fixed, but nothing worked for me. That's why I made this video, because I finally found a method that actually works. It's tested, verified, and the video was recorded recently on July 1st. It unlocks all pro filters, transitions, and effects, no glitches, no network problems. And yes, I'll give you the working CapCut mod APK file too. But please, don't skip any step. If you miss even one part, it might not work correctly. So let's get started, step-by-step backhand index pointing out. Step 1. Uninstall the old CapCut. Go to your phone and uninstall the CapCut app you already have. The mod version won't work properly if the original app is still there. Step 2. Turn on your VPN. Before installing anything, turn on a VPN. I personally use Protein VPN, but any free VPN should work. Just connect to any country like the US, UK, or Germany. Step 3. Download the CapCut mod APK. Next, install the special mod APK file. I'll leave the download link in the video description. Once it's downloaded, install it like a normal app. If it asks for permissions, allow them all. Step 4. Create a fake or temporary email. Now here's something most people don't mention. CapCut mod needs a login using email, so you'll need a temporary or fake email. Download the app called TempMail from the Play Store. It gives you a free temporary email instantly, no sign-up needed. Keep the TempMail app open, because we'll need it in the next step. Step 5. Search for CPK login on Google. Open your browser and search CPK login. Click on the first result that pops up. It's usually the official login page. Now sign up using the temporary email from TempMail. Set a password and choose a fake date of birth. Anything random is okay. After submitting, wait a few seconds, you'll get an OTP in the TempMail inbox. Copy the code and paste it back on the CPK login page to verify your account. Done. Your login is ready. Step 6. Open CapCut and log in. Now open your newly installed CapCut mod app. Tap on Sign in with email and enter the same fake email and password you just used. Once you're in, the app will look normal, but wait, we're not finished yet. Step 7. Turn on Creator Mode. Inside CapCut, tap Me at the bottom right. Then go to Settings. Scroll down and enable Creator Mode. This unlocks all the pro features inside the app. Step 8. Restart CapCut. Now, close the app completely, swipe it away. Then reopen it. Party popper boom. All pro filters, transitions, and effects are unlocked. No internet errors. You can now edit your videos freely with full access, just like a premium user. Wrapping up. So that's it. This method works 100% if you follow it step by step. Don't rush, don't skip, and you'll get it working smoothly. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And if you're new here, subscribe for more real solutions, no fake tricks, just what works. Still having trouble? Drop a comment. I always reply fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.